go to the left. Oh, my left turning vehicle. Oh.
Just a minute, but that's it. He told me that I was going this way, he was going the same way.
But you are going the wrong way. But
no, I'm going on the right way. I've already.
Sorry.
You pushed me down to this way.
Okay. Listen, I might have caught this on camera. If not, so if you want the footage, I'm happy to hand it to you.
That's fine.
The way it looks now, it's like you were going the wrong way, but no, you were just turning.
I'm dead. You just pushed me back on this lane.
You want to take my number?
Yes, please.
Okay, possibly it's better if we move slightly away from it. Mate, do you want? I think the camera caught the accident. If you wanted, you can have my number.
It makes no difference because I was in the right and right. You
Okay,
if you around me, you were totally in the wrong.
Okay.
I can take your number if you want. Go on.
Just if you want the footage, I can send you a link to it. But
yeah,
I did not see it, but I think the cameras did catch it because. If you want to go on the phone, I'll type my number.
Please.
That's my number.
She came around the outside of me.
Yeah, I actually, the way I looked at it, I thought she was going the wrong way, but I did not catch this at all, so I'll just put the footage somewhere and...
If you could just, I'll text you my name and address, alright?
Yeah.
Or my name. I'd
Okay.
appreciate it. Have you got a camera, yeah?
Yes, so and I think it's on camera, okay? Alright.